Hello and welcome. In this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you how to use screen share and show you some of Zoom screen sharing options. To share screen while in a meeting, click on Share Screen. A window will open showing you what you can screen share. Starting on the Basic tab, you can share your entire desktop, a whiteboard, an iPhone or an iPad, and any applications that you have open. Select the window or an application to share and click Share. At the bottom are two settings. You can select to share the sound coming from your computer and optimize screen sharing if you are showing a video clip. Sharing a single open application is great if you just want to show and focus on one thing. There will be no annoying pop-ups or notifications that will be shown coming from your computer. If you plan on showing and opening multiple applications during your screen share, then sharing your entire desktop is the way to go. To share an iPhone or an iPad will require you to connect the device to the same network that your computer is on, and use screen mirroring from the iPhone or iPad to connect to the PC. There is also a whiteboard that you can screen share with many built-in drawing tools that you can use to show what you need to present. Let's look at some of those tools. Starting with the Text tool, type a message. Draw tool, choose from the options and draw. Stamp tool, choose an image and click on the board to annotate. Spotlight and arrow tool, used to point and guide throughout your whiteboard. Eraser tool, erase anything you have created on the board. Format tool, options for color drawings, line widths, and text font options. Undo and redo tools. Clear tool, clear yours, clear all, or just the viewer's drawings. Select tool, select from the board and move them around. Need more room on the whiteboard? You can start a new page by clicking on the plus icon on the bottom right corner. Save to save the whiteboard. X will hide the drawing toolbar. To get the drawing toolbar back, on the meeting controls, just click Whiteboard. On the meeting toolbar, you can stop the sharing, pause share, and resume. You can also start a new share at any time by going to New Share and selecting a new window or application to share. On the Advanced tab, you can share a portion of your screen. The screen is movable so that you can show exactly what you want to your viewers. Back to Advanced tab, you can also share your music or any kind of sound coming from your computer. To share files, go to Files tab and choose from any 3 available cloud storage where your files are stored. You will have to sign in and give appropriate application permission to access.